Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel sauce using condensed milk. First, you'll need 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. We'll cover 2 popular methods, one using your stovetop and another utilizing your oven. Both techniques transform the milk into a wonderfully rich and creamy caramel, perfect for desserts or as a delightful topping. Let's get started with the stovetop approach. For the stovetop method, carefully pour your sweetened condensed milk into a heat-proof glass jar. Place this jar into a large pot, ensuring it's completely surrounded by water, with at least 2 inches of water above the jar's lid. Bring the water to a gentle simmer and cook for about 2.5 to 3 hours, replenishing water as it evaporates. This slow cooking creates a deep, delicious caramel. If you prefer the oven method, begin by pouring your can of sweetened condensed milk into a shallow pie plate or an 8 by 8 inch baking dish. Cover the dish very tightly with aluminum foil to prevent the milk from drying out. Bake this in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 to 1.5 hours. The caramel will darken and thicken beautifully. Once cooked, whether by stovetop or oven, carefully remove the hot container. Allow the caramel to cool slightly, then whisk it vigorously until it's completely smooth and has a luscious, creamy consistency. This rich caramel sauce is fantastic on ice cream or fruit. Store any leftover cooled caramel in an airtight container in your refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.